Assalamu alaikum, my dear students of class 2. How are you? Hope all of you are well by the blessing of Almighty Allah. Welcome back to our online platform NIEVS Home School. This is Muhammad Abul Kalam, assistant teacher of National Ideal English Version School. Dear students, today I am going to conduct an English literature class, and this is our first class on our annual term 2021 syllabus. So let's see our today's topic. It is unit 7 from our buzzword book. Okay, that means unit 7 is the first unit from our annual term 2021 syllabus. So look, unit 7 reading, then word meaning, then synonym, antonym. Okay, I am telling again, our today's topic is unit 7 reading, word meaning and synonym, antonym. Look, dear learners, this is our lecture number 1 and homework number 1 also on our annual term 2021. Dear students, this book not from EFT English for today, it is the book name is The Success with Buzzword. You have already known this as we learned from our half yearly syllabus. Okay, in this connections I request you to open your page number 71. Title is Rip Van Winkle. From Buzzword book I am telling again, title is Rip Van Winkle. Page number 71. Okay, then we will go to page number 72 gradually. Dear students, this unit titled Rip Van Winkle, this passage or this lesson is very important and as well as interesting. In this lesson or in this unit we will see Rip Van Winkle is a kind-hearted man, but he was little bit slow and lazy also, and for this reason his wife sometimes becomes angry with him. To hide from her wife, sometimes he went to the mountain. Okay, after going there, once it is seen that he drank lots of or much of pink water. As a result, he slept there, or he had been sleeping there for 20 years. So how many years? For 20 years, Rip Van Winkle had been asleep in the mountain. This is the summary of our today's unit 7 Rip Van Winkle. So in these connections, let's start our class. I have told you the summary so that attention grow among you. Okay, look, the title, it is Rip Van Winkle unit 7. First unit from our buzzword book on our half yearly 2021 syllabus. So look at the passage. Rip Van Winkle was a simple, good man and a kind neighbor, but he was also lazy, I have already told you. So his wife sometimes got angry with him. Then he would go away into the mountain to hide from her. One day, Rip and his dog Ulf climbed to the highest part of the mountains. They were tired, so they lay down on the green grass to rest. When Rip woke up, he heard a voice calling him, Rip Van Winkle, Rip Van Winkle, come here, come and help me. He turned around and saw a short old man. If you open your buzzword book page number 71, you will get it. Okay, you will get the picture, or you will see the picture. So look, page number 71, short-legged old man. Okay, in the middle of your book, this page. Okay, he was carrying a heavy barrel. So look, this one on his shoulder. Rip agreed to carry the barrel to a valley in the mountains. There he found a groups of men playing a game. They are playing. It is seen from a far distance, or it is seen properly. They looked so strange, thought Rip. They have such short legs and long beards, and they are wearing strange clothes. Rip was afraid. The old man asked Rip to pour the pink water from the barrel into the man's glasses. The men drank the water and went back to their game. Rip too drank a lot of the pink water. He felt very sleepy. Soon he fell into a deep sleep. Look. Next. When he woke up, he was alone. He rubbed his eyes. It was a bright sunny morning. He called out to his dog Wolf, but no dog came. Reef felt very weak and hungry. He started walking towards his village. When he entered the village, the people stared at him and the dogs began barking at him. He looks funny, the children said. He has a dirty grey beard and his clothes are torn. So look, we can see it. Okay, the whole village looked different. His house had fallen down. Just then a young woman peeped in through the crowd. Reef looked at her. She looked like his wife. What is your name? Or what's your name? Reef asked her. Judith, she replied. And your father's name? Okay, next, poor man. His name was Reef Van Winkle. 20 years ago, he went away from home with his gun and his dogs. He never came back. She said, "Oh, my dear, I am your father," cried Reef. He hugged his daughter. Everyone was amazed. They laughed and said, "Welcome home again, neighbor. Where have you been these 20 years, 20 long years?" Only Reef knew the answer. He had been asleep in the mountain for 20 years. How many years? 20 years he had been asleep in the mountain. Okay, dear students. Okay, with these things we have finished our unit 7 reading. Okay, now our another text is word meaning, then synonym antonym. Look, I have given here 4 word meaning from your book. Number A is barrel, a container made of wood or metals used for storing liquids. Barrel. Next, valley, a low land between hills. Dear students, one important thing. So keep it in your mind that there is no full stop at the end of the word meaning, but it is seen in your half yearly exam script. Many of you have put here or have given here full stop. This is wrong. Okay, you must not put or give full stop here or any comma after the meaning of this word. Okay, so look, there is no comma or full stop. You will follow it. Next, valley, a low land between hills. Peeped in, could be seen but not fully. Amazed, very surprised. Okay, word meaning session is done. Now another session is synonym antonym. So look, word, synonym, antonym. So 4 synonym antonym also. Lazy, synonym it is idle. Okay, and antonym is active. Strange, peculiar, common. Sleepy, drowsy, alert. Weak, feeble and strong. These are the 4 synonym and antonym. So look here, I am telling again. Lazy, idle, antonym active, strange, peculiar, antonym common, sleepy, drowsy, antonym alert, weak, synonym feeble, and antonym is strong. Dear students, look, this is our first homework. It is homework number 1, unit 7, word meaning and synonym antonym. Okay, whenever you will write word meaning, you must write a date. Okay, then the title, it is unit 7. So look, 4 word meaning, then synonym antonym, 4 synonym antonym. These 2 parts, word meaning and synonym antonym, will be your homework, and this is your first homework. I hope that all of my students have enjoyed this class, Reef Van Winkle unit 7 from your buzzword class. And please, I request you to keep practicing at home, keep reading at home, so that you can take the interesting of this lesson and do your homework. It is word meaning and synonym antonym. See you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.